welcome back to the channel. Today I'm helping my dad review the 70mai A810 Lite dash cam. Now before we start, I should tell you something important. I don't actually drive a car. I'm only 6 years old. But my dad said if I helped him with his review, he would pay me in Robux. So technically this is my first sponsored video by my dad. And honestly, I think that's a pretty good deal. Anyway, let's talk about the dash cam. The 70mai A810 Lite is a dual-channel dash cam, which means it comes in two cameras. The front camera records in 4K and the rear camera records in 1080p. One thing I noticed right away is how small it is. It's compact enough to hide behind the rear view mirror, so it doesn't take up a lot of the space on the windshield. Even though it's small, it still has a screen on the back where you can view recordings and change settings. It also comes with a 64GB memory card in the box, which means you can start recording right away without buying extra storage. And if you need more space, it supports memory cards all the way up to 512GB. My dad told me that the most important thing about a dash cam is the video quality. During the daytime, the footage looks really sharp and clear. You can easily see the road, signs, and the cars around you. At night, it surprisingly does a good job. The camera lets in more light, so the video stays bright enough to capture important details even when it's dark outside. And because it's a rear camera, you get coverage from both the front and the back of your car. The A810 Lite also works on the 70mai app. Using the app, you can watch videos, download recordings, and change settings right from your phone. It even supports Wi-Fi 6, which helps transfer videos much faster. Now let's talk about one of the most coolest features, the optional 4G Hardwire Kit. This kit connects the dash cam directly to your car and allows it to keep watching over the vehicle even when the engine is turned off. That means if someone bumps in your car while it's parked, the camera can automatically save the footage. The 4G kit also lets the dash cam connect to the internet using a SIM card. And this time, a SIM card is already included, which makes setting everything up much more easier. Once it's connected, you can use the 70mai app to check on your car from almost anywhere. You can watch live views, see where your car is parked, monitor the battery, and receive alerts when something happens. There's even a feature called geofencing that can notify you if your car leaves a certain area. 70mai also offers subscription plans that unlock additional cloud and remote monitoring features. There's a free option available and there's paid plans if you want the access to even more connected features. My dad normally uses a more expensive 70mai dash cam called the T800, so he was curious to see how this more affordable model would compare. After testing it, he was actually pretty impressed. It may not have every premium feature from the T800, but it still delivers excellent video quality, useful safety features, and a lot of value for the price. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly but reliable dash cam, the 70mai A810 Lite is definitely worth considering. And if this video gets enough views, maybe my dad will give me enough Robux to buy something else other than a dash cam. If you're interested in getting the product, link is in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye everyone!